When buying a house, it is important to know how much you can afford to pay when it comes to the mortgage. If you get a mortgage you can't afford, you can end up losing your home. One way to determine how much you can afford when it comes to the mortgage is making a budget. With a budget you can see how much money you will have and how much more you can afford on a monthly basis. Another way to determine how much you can afford when it comes to the mortgage is going to a bank and seeing how much they will lend you and at what interest rate. Most banks will do this even if you don't have a house in mind that you want to buy. It is more likely that you will do business with a bank that helped you out in the past. This is why a bank is happy to do this. One last way to determine how much you can afford when it comes to the mortgage is adding up the household earnings. When you add up your household earnings in a monthly basis, the next thing to do is divide that number by 3. The number you get when you do this process is a rule of thumb of what you can afford when it comes to the mortgage. A mortgage is usually the largest loan you will ever have. If you use some of the tips you read here, it will save you from making the mistake of taking out a loan you can't afford. A good website where you can see more information on topics like this is realestatetips.tk. Thank you and enjoy.